But let's also shift track to the other big story from Karnataka, which is the political tension and the face-off that we've been witnessing over corruption in the state. We've seen the BJP going all guns blazing against the Congress government, accusing them of committing and indulging in one scam after another. More corruption skeletons seem to be tumbling out. BJP MPs today staged a protest outside Parliament, so they brought the fight to Delhi as well, targeting Rahul Gandhi, questioning why he's silent on the corruption taint on Chief Minister Siddaramaiah.
कर्नाटक में दलितों को संविधान नहीं मिल रहा है.
The fight over scams in Karnataka reaches the national capital. BJP MPs protested outside Parliament over the alleged multiple scams under the Siddaramaiah government. The MPs held placards demanding answers from Rahul Gandhi.
मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धरामैया दो यार्डस्टिक अपना रहे हैं. जब मंडिया में ऐसे ही स्कैम हुआ था तो सीबीआई को इंक्वायरी में दिया था. अभी मना कर रहे हैं क्योंकि उसका खुद का नाम है और पूरी तरह से उसमें फंसे हुए हैं.
If he has no default is there, he ought to have given the reply in the debate, but he is avoided. Adjournment motion moved by the Bharatiya Janata Party. It is been rejected by the Speaker. It shows the malafide intention of the Siddaramaiah.
The BJP has launched scathing attacks on Siddaramaiah, claiming that Congress leaders siphoned money meant for Dalit welfare. They are also demanding a CBI probe into the Muda land allotment scam, of which Siddaramaiah's wife Parvati is an alleged beneficiary. The BJP also claims illegal allocation of 600 crore rupees to the Karnataka State Habitat Centre, a private entity in violation of norms. Siddaramaiah claims he is being targeted as he comes from an OBC community.
It is all a bogus propaganda. No illegal has been done by my government or the chief. Everything has been done in the BJP government. They are the kings and they are they have created all this scam. They are the kings of scams in Karnataka.
The ED has already arrested former Minister Nagendra in the Valmiki Corporation scam, which involves diversion of tribal welfare funds. The Congress, on the other hand, has initiated a probe into the Bhovi scam that saw illegal diversion of funds under the BJP government. Bureau Report, India Today.